Ferguson, Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Collin County in north central Texas until 4:15 a.m. At 3:26 a.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and microburst winds in excess of 65 miles per hour. This storm was located 4 miles west of Allen, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Parker and Fairview around 3:35 a.m., Lucas, Murphy, and Lowry crossing around 3:40 a.m., Princeton around 3:45 a.m., Lowry around 3:50 a.m., Farmers around 4 a.m. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter until the storm has passed. The current